Mark Miller here at InfoComm 2025 here in the Sharp booth. Behind me is our LD-A1381F. It's our new all-in-one LED product. It is a 138-inch diagonal, 1.5 millimeter pixel pitch product. This product is designed to be easy to install in just under 2 hours. This product also shares the same SoC platform as our PNME2 lineup, which means that it's an Android operating system with 3 HDMI ports for easy connectivity. It also features dual 18-watt speakers on the front for sound, as well as digital and analog audio out. In addition, you can install apps onto this product. It's controlled with a remote control, designed to be easy to use, just like our large format display lineup. So from our 43-inch PNME product all the way up to 165-inch all-in-one LED, it is the same user experience across the board. For more information on this product, visit sharpusa.com.